That's how I lost my last job in Silicon Valley.
Yeah, but you went to work soaked in deer urine. Even without olfactory senses, I know that's a bad idea.
But what was I gonna do, miss big game hunting for the weekend? I couldn't be late for my first day of work. I had to make a really good impression.
I see what you mean.
At that point, there was only one thing I could do. Pretend it was my natural musk. Of course. Oh, Ula, you get me.
Hey, Derek, what's up?
Nothing, I'm not in love.
What?
I'm not in love with the design, Cam. It's dull, it's uninteresting, and frankly, it's below the level of professionalism that I've come to expect on this kind of project.
What are you talking about? I haven't even sent you the design yet.
Exactly, Cam. Exactly.
Derek, you know losing a lead designer on any project is hard, but losing Ben? That's been tough on the whole team.
Oh, really? Ben was our lead designer. He was okay. I think he connected with some of us a little bit better than others. Okay, so there's some desks over there, some chair, windows. This is the floor area right here.
Thanks, that's helpful.
Ben, I think what you're gonna find is everybody in the office is exuding their own personality traits, something essential to the team. Like, for instance, this is Todd, another developer. Basically a worse version of me.
Hey, Todd.
Roz from accounting. Hey, Roz, how you doing, hon? She is horrible with money, so do not lend her a thing. Also, raging alcoholic. See you at lunch, girl. And then there's me, the office heartthrob. Now listen, I want you to know something, Ben. I am a super nice guy, okay? So try not to be intimidated.
I'll do my best.
Let's introduce you to Cam. It's Derek.
Get lost, Derek. I got a meeting. I don't have time for this. Must be the new designer.
Hi, I'm Ben.
Hi, I'm Ben. Cam. Dudley. Cam Dudley. Hi, I'm Ben. What is it that you do here?
He's the new designer, like you said.
Oh, work of art.
What?
I said you make all the art here.
Yeah, I do design for the web mostly.
Oh, thrilling.
Some people thought he was great. As for his design, I mean, I see better. Honestly, I don't know what all the fuss was about. But then there was the accident.
Okay, so these three need to go through acceptance testing and then we can release it. And what about the code on the bottom? All done with that?
You know it.
Great, and then we can... Carl, if you're gonna do this during the day, at least put up a caution sign because people can get hurt.
Good morning, everybody.
Oh, get lost. Good morning, Ben. You gotta be careful because Carl
What's
is...
that, Cam?
Wow. Look at those big old brownies.
What?
Your eyes, they're like bottomless cups of gorgeous flavored coffee.
Did you need something, Cam?
You can just delve into the depths of my soul with your gaze. I feel like I had something important to tell you, but what could be more important than those big, beautiful blinkers?
Maybe the design mock-up we have due later today?
No. Shh. I mean, yes, but that's due at 4:30. In the meantime, we can just swim in those milk chocolate fountains a little while longer.
I'm gonna get to work now.
Gatsby. I think we just had a moment. Oh, come on, Carl.
So of course he was concussed and apparently suffering from extreme vertigo, but Ben wouldn't let that stop him.
Are you okay?
It's okay. I know CPR. Everyone stand clear.
He's breathing fine, Cam.
Are you sure? We need to make sure. Ben, lay back down and I'll do CPR and we'll go from there.
Oh, I'm fine. Really, I'm okay. Oh, I'm just a little dizzy. And I have a headache. I've got some stuff out in my car for it. I'll be right back.
Are we sure he's okay? He looks a little groggy to me.
Look, Todd, either I'm giving him CPR or nobody is, so you back off.
got hit by a bus while trying to get into a cardboard box on the side of the road that he thought was his car. And that put him in the hospital. He had to relearn to walk. But old Ben muscled through that.
Carl, can you drive any slower? Come on. I'm gonna be late to see Ben. My gosh, you guys, he's getting out today.
Amazing recovery time.
I know.
Yeah, can we make this quick because I want some lunch?
Oh, that's a horrible idea.
No, no one asked you, Mitt. That's a great idea. Ben actually loves sushi, so we can get like...
I can't believe you guys are here. You didn't have to come all this way over here for me. Thanks, guys.
Oh, Ben, we wouldn't miss it. You're part of the team, and team is family. Except we're not related, so dating and stuff isn't weird. Thank you so much. We'll take it from here. Now time to get you home.
It's finally happening. I'm being released today. After a month in this place, I didn't think I was ever going to get out of here. And I'm finally done with this thing.
All right. Good man. All right.
Yay!
All right,
Ben, you're
buddy.
doing so great! Oh my
You're doing
gosh!
good, Ben.
All right, I'll go get the door, okay?
All right.
Ben, no! Oh, come on, Carl!
So that sent him back a few weeks. After he finally got out of the hospital and went home, the doctor said it would take a few weeks to get back on his feet. Poor Mitt felt so bad for the guy that he sent Carl over to his house to clean up for him once a week. And most of us thought that was a pretty good idea.
You did what?
Whoa. I just tried to help him out.
Stop eating!
Oh, Cam. Oh, Carl.
It's not picking up. Come on, Ben.
Wow, that's really nice. It's really been tough on me trying to keep this whole place tidy.
An urn? Totally lame. You would think for an artsy-fartsy guy, he could have come up with something a little bit better. Like a Viking funeral. I could have fired the arrow.
Not so soon.
Cam.
What? Hi. Right. So you know that we were using freelancers to fill in for the design while we find a replacement?
Oh, yeah.
Well, the good news is, I think I found one. I interview her later today.
That sounds like there's probably some bad news, too.
Yeah, unfortunately, we're really behind, and I hate to do this to you, Derek, but I'm gonna need you to work this weekend.
That's fine.
Really? Huh. You're taking this surprisingly well.
Yeah, it's really no problem. The only thing, traffic is really bad in my neighborhood on the weekends, so I'll probably be in a little late.
That's fine. What time are you thinking?
Monday.
Come on, Derek. You know I wouldn't ask you unless I needed it. I'll buy you free lunch.
That is not going to be good enough, Cam. Sorry.
What if you work from home?
Fine, but I'm taking Ula with me.
Where are you going? It's like 10:30. You still have to work today. Ugh, whatever, I gotta go.
It's called a protest, Cam. She wouldn't know anything about that. Oh, come on, Carl!